This is Ms. Miseraco, and this is 7th grade science, the information for September 24th, 25th, and 28th. On our live Zoom lesson on Thursday, September 24th, students will go over the following agenda. We'll go over any questions, we'll review Wednesday. Today's topic is looking at how to write a strong hypothesis, and then we'll preview Friday and Monday. Wednesday, students are supposed to read some information about the scientific method and then complete the vocabulary information on this page. Please pause the video now and compare your answers to the correct answers. Today's topic is looking at hypotheses. That's the plural of a hypothesis. Our learning target is to write a hypothesis and identify the different variables in an experiment. It says a hypothesis is a very important part of scientific inquiry. After you have a scientific question you want to investigate, have done a little research, it is what you predict will happen. In class on Zoom, we'll watch a short video together about this. Please pause this video, go to your digital notebook, and watch the video. Students will then be defining some key words. A hypothesis is an educated prediction. When we're writing a hypothesis, we need to be mindful of the independent variable. That's the one that is manipulated, or something that we're changing on purpose in an experiment. The responding or dependent variable is what we measure or collect data on. So in our example, if you drink coffee before going to bed, then it will take longer to fall asleep. I'm changing or manipulating what I'm drinking before bed. In this case, I'm drinking coffee. I'm collecting data on what time it takes me to fall asleep. That would be my responding or dependent variable. Students will then go into breakout rooms to practice identifying the different variables in investigations. Please pause this video and try to answer the questions on your own. How did you do? In the question, does salt in soil affect plant growth? We manipulated the salt content of the soil. Our dependent or responding variable is the number of plants. In the second example, does temperature affect bacterial growth? We changed the temperature, that's our independent or manipulated variable, and we collected data on the number of bacteria, that's our responding or dependent variable. For question 3, the question was, does temperature of a classroom affect a student's performance on tests? You could have written a hypothesis like, if it is warmer, then students will do better on tests. I'm changing or manipulating the independent variable of temperature, and I'm collecting data on test scores. That would be my responding or dependent variable. Please pause this video and complete assignment 2 on Canvas. Friday, students will be researching a scientist of their choosing. Please peruse or look over the list, find out some information about a scientist, and write a 5-sentence summary in your own words why they are important. Please post this on the discussion board, include a picture of your scientist, and try to comment on 2 people scientists as well. On Monday, students will be starting to think about their outdoor investigation. You need to skim through a good chunk of our own Ms. Burlev's textbook, it's on doing ecology, being a scientist. Skim through chapters 6 through 12. Brainstorm a list of things that sound interesting to you as we're starting to come up with our own investigation. A student example of an investigation is the following. The question the students investigated was, using different bird feeders, which bird seed will be most consumed in the field? The hypothesis could be, if I put out 2 types of bird seed, I think more sunflower seed will be consumed. We're manipulating the type of seed. We're collecting data on the consumption of seed, how much seed is consumed. The material list, the procedure. Students then collected data and went visual with it. They had results, and then they wrote a conclusion. Again, your homework for Monday is to just skim through the book and just start writing things down that are of interest to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please email with any questions.